Apple delivered solid financial results for fiscal year 2024, generating total net sales of $391.35 billion, with a gross margin of 46.2%. Net income reached $93.736 billion, translating to diluted earnings per share of $6.08. The company maintained strong operational performance while managing complex global market dynamics, including currency fluctuations and regional economic pressures. These results reflect Apple's continued market leadership in technology and its ability to generate substantial shareholder returns. Apple's Americas segment led revenue generation at $167.45 billion, growing 3% year-over-year, driven primarily by strong services performance. Europe contributed $101.328 billion in net sales, up 7%, with growth from both services and iPhone categories. Greater China generated $66.952 billion, declining 8% due to lower iPhone and iPad sales, though the region remains strategically important. Japan contributed $25.052 billion, with 3% growth from iPhone strength, while rest of Asia Pacific added $30.658 billion, with 4% growth. iPhone remained the dominant product category at $201.183 billion in annual sales, while services showed exceptional growth, increasing 13% to $96.169 billion, reflecting the company's successful expansion into recurring revenue streams. Apple generated $118.254 billion in operating cash flow during fiscal 2024, demonstrating the underlying strength of the business model. The company actively returned capital to shareholders through $95.0 billion in share repurchases and $15.2 billion in dividend payments. Total shareholders' equity stood at $56.950 billion as of September 28, 2024, while the company maintained substantial liquidity with $140.8 billion in unrestricted cash, cash equivalents, and marketable securities. The company carries manageable debt of $97.3 billion in principal amount, providing financial flexibility. These metrics underscore Apple's financial discipline and commitment to delivering long-term shareholder value while funding operations and strategic investments. Apple faces evolving competitive pressures, regulatory scrutiny including Digital Markets Act compliance matters, and macroeconomic uncertainty. The company manages significant operational complexity across 5 geographic segments and multiple product categories. Currency fluctuations, particularly involving the renminbi and yen, impacted international results. Despite these headwinds, Apple's diversified revenue model, strong cash generation, and continued investment in innovation position the company to sustain market leadership.